Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to find out cPanel username and password in GoDaddy hosting. Before starting, like as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in GoDaddy hosting and then you see all product and services. So this is our domain and then you see multiple option. Now you see web hosting. So click on it. Now expand and then you see web hosting economy. So this is our domain and then you see manage. So click on it. So we are in my account hosting domain. So this is our domain and then you see setting account server. Now you see account primary domain cPanel login. So this is our username for cPanel. So you can copy this and then you see password. If you don't know password, so you can change password. So click on it and then you see change your account password. Now you see password. So you can add password manually or you can generate password like this. Now click on it. Now you see password visible. So you can copy. So you can generate password according to requirement like this and then click on change password. Now cancel. So by using this cPanel login and password, you can access cPanel of your domain. So you can log in cPanel artmania.com/cPanel in URL, press enter and then you can enter username and password. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.